Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson of value education, that is third lesson. We are one, means we are together. We celebrate many occasions together with our families, relatives and friends. We celebrate birthdays, marriages and festivals. Such occasions brings us joy, blessings and happiness. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate national and religious festivals. Celebrations help us live together happily and peacefully. Whenever anyone's birthday is there, anyone's marriage is there, any festivals, or you know that we are also having jatras in our small villages. So we are surely visiting our villages. We get together and celebrate these all the occasions. That time we feel joyful, we get the happiness, and also we get the blessings from our elder peoples. This our country is only called as a land of festivals because here we are celebrating different kinds of festivals. It's not only national, it is religious also. So national festivals, we are having holidays. You must be knowing this different kinds of festivals. Do you remember what are the festivals? Yes, Holi is there, Diwali is there, Dashera, then different kinds of other festivals we are celebrating together, whether it is Eid, right? And what are the national festivals? Republic Day and Independence Day, correct? So on these occasions we are getting together and we are celebrating it. India is a secular state. It is the birthplace of Hinduism, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism. Other major religions of this world such as Christianity, Islam, Judaism, etc. are also practiced by the people of India. India is our secular state, means different kind of religions or the people from different kinds of religions live together and only one country, whether it may be Christian people, whether it is Jain people, whether it is Sikh, Hindus, or whether it is Muslim peoples. All kinds of these religions are practiced in our country, so it is called as secular state. People of every religion come together to celebrate and honor their deities. This promotes brotherhood among people. Right now, different kind of peoples from different religions are living together, and also for the job purpose or their service, they are now going to other place for working, and that's why they are living together when they are celebrating their festivals. They are meeting each other, they get together and wish their neighbors or wish others. The people of India are known for their unity in diversity. In the previous lesson also we have learned this unity in diversity. Why it is called like that? All are children of Bharat Mata. Hence all Indians are citizens. All Indians are brothers and sisters. We all are living together in one country, that is India. It is also called Bharat Mata. So we all Indians are brothers and sisters. Do you remember that we are saying a pledge? Yes. Everybody in the country celebrate Diwali and Dashera, the festival of victory of good over evil. On Dashera, we are burning the statues of Ravan. This indicates the victory of good over evil. This is the day when this Lord Rama has killed this Ravan, who was having a bad evil. Okay. Now next one here it is. Can you guess which festival it is? Yes, you can see a cross is there. That means this must be the festival of Christian peoples. Which festivals they are celebrating? Correct. They are celebrating Christmas. Christmas is another national festival celebrated to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. People decorate homes, exchange gifts, greet one another, and celebrate. On this, whenever Christmas, people are celebrating. This is actually the birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is God of the Christian peoples. Okay, as Hindu peoples are worshipping Ram as a god, like that Jesus Christ is worshipped by this Christian people. So they are celebrating the birthday of Jesus Christ on this. And I hope you remember that we are having holidays also in Christmas. Yes. See here, next one is Eid ul Fitr. It is celebrated to mark the end of Ramzan, the month of fasting for the Muslims. People forget their differences and embrace each other on this day. Eid ul Fitr. This is a festival celebrated by these Muslim peoples. And do you remember that we are also having this holiday on Ramzan? Full day in this month, people are keeping their fast. But this Eid ul Fitr is celebrated at the end of this month when their fast is over. Okay, and in this festival, people embrace each other, they hug each other, they wish each other. Now this one you can see that these children are throwing water color on each other. Which festival is it? Yes, Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. It is also a festival of oneness of the Indian. Rich or poor, young or old, all celebrate Holi by throwing colors upon one another. So all look alike. Everyone is celebrating this festival, whether it is poor, whether it is rich, whether it is young or old. All are celebrating. The next one is birthday of Guru Nanak Dev. It is celebrated as Guru Purab. Yes, this is the festival of Sikh people. People of all religions sit together and take meals in langar. Langar is a place. Langar is means when Sikh people are sick or other people are also having a meal together in the Gurudwara. It is called as langar. Okay, such unity of religions is the pride of India. That is a unique way of saying we are one. That's why we can say that we are one. People look forward to every festival. It is an occasion for families to come together, relatives and friends meet together and forget all diversities. They also pledge to remain united under the banner of Mother India. Do you remember what do we say in the pledge? Yes, I hope you remember. India is known for its spirituality since olden days. Festivals are celebrated to teach the younger generation moral values of love and brotherhood. Spirituality means we are worshipping God. That is called spirituality. Okay. So from many of the years we are worshipping gods. That's why it is called that India is known for its spirituality since olden days. Festivals are celebrated to teach the younger generation moral values. We are getting moral values from this all the festivals. For example, Holi. What does it tell us? Yes, all look alike. Like that, every festival has its own moral value. I hope you understand this lesson. If you like the video, please click on like button, share and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.